Oh, chilling in the condo with my man Nate. Flow so smooth, make the shit look easy. Neck so icy, swag running high. Rolling with the best, straight to the top. I'm getting this money and it ain't gonna stop. Bitch, I'm getting this stacks and it ain't gonna stop. Homie, you can hate, homie, you can diss.
Got to run and get this car washed. It's been a little bit of rainy, but let's go see what we can get into. Hit y'all with a little bit of that cold start. Oh, she's dirty, boy. We gotta get this shit right. We gotta get it right. I got stuff everywhere. I mean, that's from a bonfire. Let's go. I already know we got that reverse camera. I got a dash crack, but we gonna fix it. We gonna get it. Let's go ahead and roll. Back on that that dash crack. If y'all know anybody that's got these in a cocoa color, please have them inbox me. Please do. I'd greatly appreciate that. Just waited 2 hours to go get this thing washed for the rain to stop. It stopped for 30 minutes. I get out, and what happens? It's raining. But you know what? We're gonna go anyways. We're gonna go anyways. It ain't gonna stop us. It's gonna stop before we even get there. I got more stuff I got to grab anyway. So y'all go ahead and stay tuned. Oh, and while we waiting, because it's raining, y'all go ahead and run that like and subscribe button up for me. Do your boy a favor. I know I ain't really talking to y'all on here. I just been posting my truck. So my name's Coop. But we about to have a lot of stuff going on. I got a birthday party to go to here in like 2 weeks. I got a truck meet to go to in February, and I got truck week in Myrtle Beach to go to. Y'all better catch me down there. It's about to be a straight movie. If you catch me, say what's up. I'm about to get pictures done so I get a hoodie made, get t-shirts made just for me, because I ain't really trying to make merch right now. But as soon as I hit 10K, I'll make a limited amount of merch. So let's go ahead and run this up so I can give y'all merch. TikTok, I got that in the bio. Y'all go ahead and do me a favor and run that up too if y'all don't mind. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys that's followed me. I post a lot of shorts. I've seen you guys all over my shorts. That's gave me ambition to post videos. So I've been struggling to make content because I've been working. So I finally got a little bit of a chance in this rain. It finally quit raining on me. It done got dark outside. But without further ado, why don't we get this baby washed? We got hit with that pre-soak. Even though it's already been raining, we're gonna hit it anyways. We're gonna get it anyways. Look at them big nasties. I don't know why my flashlight's on, but we go ahead and roll with it. Come on now. Look, see what happens when you go to these car washes. Normally I'd be detailing my own, but we kind of in a rush. So even though it's a little bit dark, we gotta get all that nasty out of it. We gotta get these babies shiny. Boy, get all this nasty out of here. Oh, we caught. Real question, are you a truck owner if you really clean your bed out or you leave it dirty? Because I don't ever clean mine out. I mean, I don't know what y'all be doing, but that's nonsense to me. Time to hit it with a little bit of that high pressure soap. Get that dirt and grime up off of it. Yeah. Whoa. Ooh. Nasty. I think we're gonna be nice. Ooh. Gotta do the classic spin around there, boy. Alright, I'm about to set y'all down. On to the other side. We gotta hit it with that brush action. We gotta get it. Oh, she's already coming out. Say less. What? I don't like to brush, but we don't like to hit it. So we just ran into a serious problem. I got all this soap, but I ain't got no quarters to get it off, and I ain't breaking no 20s. I guess she about to have this new look. What y'all be thinking? Think that'll blow off when we drive it? In a serious pod right now. I got all this soap, but nothing to get it off with. See that, right? I mean, she's off. I mean, I guess it's time to get in. We dipping. I'm about to have to just bite it. I guess I'm gonna have to end up putting this 20 up in this change machine. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. All right, let's go get it. I believe I'm doing this. I never put a 20 in there. Let's see. I'm gonna have to have a bag to get this out. Oh, it ain't even taking it? What? No, it's gonna take it. Nah. You gotta hit it with that. It's easy. So after my 30th attempt, here we are. We're cycling them out. Oh, it's getting so many. Bro, this is why I don't use the car wash. Yo, I can't even carry these. Let's continue with what we got going on. I still can't believe myself. This is crazy. Let me finish putting these in. Yo, how many of y'all have done this? Please let it not just be me. Got that done now. We getting better. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Boy, on the wax. Also, like I said, stay tuned. It's gonna be better content coming in the future. This is the first one, just enough to get it over. Get comfortable. I'm gonna get a camera, better quality. I'm gonna get a stand, that way y'all can sit you down and get better views with the camera in. So y'all just stay tuned. I appreciate that. Like I said earlier, make sure you like and subscribe. Run it up for me. That way you support this channel, that way we can grow together. Stay tuned for future content too. It could pop anytime. I'll give you a heads up in the shorts when I'm about to drop something. Just check the description in it. And don't forget, run up that TikTok for me. I appreciate you.